Hey, Eric here with RegFox. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to be discovered online in the search engines and also how to be found listed as an event in Google. I'm going to cover both the social and SEO settings and also the Google event discovery. So here I am in the page builder. I'm under promote, and you see we have a bunch of different features here. I'm just going to cover these first two in this demo, and I'm going to describe each one. So the first one is how to have the title and description of your event in here that's going to be shown in Google and also on social media. So when people share links on social media, typically it'll show a short description and an image. And so that is what these settings are going to be for, and Google also utilizes these settings as well. Here is an event near me. And so you can see here on the third result is a TicketSpice page, which is one of our companion event products. And so this is how getting quick access to tickets for that event can be found. So using these settings will help people quickly find this page. So in here, it comprises of a title and a description and then an image. So then I'm going to put some information here just so you can get a picture of what it looks like. All right, so I have a title and a description and a preview image here. You can see how this is going to be previewed here down below, and you can kind of get a sense of how the text and description will play together. So we're going to hit Save Changes, and so I'm going to now publish this page. And this page now, when I copy this URL and I share it on Facebook, let's go here. As you can see now, my link here has my title and description and my image. And so anybody else who shares this page is now going to have this design elements to it. So that is what that does. Let's remove this before my friends start thinking this is a real event. All right. So going back here to the settings, we'll go back to our SEO and social details here. The next one is Google Event Discovery. So Google Event Discovery is going to populate your event on localized events near people. So on this tab over here, I searched events near me, and I live in the Lake Tahoe area, so you can see all of these events in here. If you're wondering, how on earth do I get my event listed in the largest search engine on the planet? It's going to be through the Google Event Discovery. So our tools allow you to register your event in Google, and when people search for events near them, your event can be found in here. So let's walk you through these settings here. And the first step is to turn Google Event Listing on, and then you're going to insert the name, start date, end date, location name, address, details, and then a description. And so it'll populate a little preview here, and completing this information will then submit it to Google, and it's up to Google to pick it up and to list it, but this is what Google requires as part of getting listed in that events near me. So between these two settings, the SEO, description, title, which is going to help you promote your event on social media, which will display it in a really attractive visual way, and the event discovery here, these two items will help you get discovered and help people find your event when they search for it. So those are the settings there. Hopefully this has been helpful. Let us know if you have any other questions about this. Our team will be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next demo.